We are a human resources solutions company. We do recruitment from executive up to a low level. We also do skills development and training. We also do organizational development frameworks. We mainly deal with government entities, municipalities, parastatals, and we do a bit of private companies as well. We've done banks. Yeah, so mainly anyone that's got employees or who want to employ. Mainly, I would say coaching has taught me to value my time and obviously my team, who are actually the core of my business in terms of running the business, which is my staff. And of course, money. I've streamlined my time. I've got more time to do other things. And obviously my team, as much as I've chopped and changed, but I'm every day focusing on getting the right team. Action Coach has taught me balance. I don't feel guilty if I do things for myself. I don't feel guilty if I spend time for me and my family and my friends. I think she starts you from where you are in terms of, for me it was chaos, and she will tell you things that you want to start doing in terms of focusing into getting the business in order, which is obviously to make money out of the business. And that those steps that you take and the focus makes you realize that at the end of the day it's all about money. And where you see you're not making money, you quickly see that you're not making money. Also, you start getting proper financial reports that you can make decisions quickly. It's not just me that does the coaching. My management team also gets to be coached by her. So in terms of balance and streamlining and coordinating things, that works out very well because everybody talks the same language. I think for anyone, invest your money wisely and watch your money grow. And if it's not growing, rethink, stop, and do things differently.